The internet has been buzzing recently regarding Relebohile Mofokeng's potential transfer to Dutch giants PSV. However, Orlando Pirates Football Club has released a statement regarding an article that was done by Soccer Laduma regarding 120 million rand for Relebohile Mofokeng to move to PSV. So here is Orlando Pirates statement regarding Relebohile Mofokeng's move that was published by Soccer Laduma. Orlando Pirates Football Club has taken note of the article published by soccerladuma.com 16 July 2025 titled 120 million for Mofokeng, how PSV's linked to Pirates sensation. We wish to place it on record that no such offer has been received by the club. The claims made in the article are not only false, but also irresponsible and damaging. As a publishing with a long-standing history in South African football, Soccer Laduma is expected to uphold the highest standards of journalism, rooted in facts, accuracy, and responsibility. Unfortunately, in this instance, they have chosen sensationalism over truth. This type of reporting is not only misleading to the public, but also serves as an unnecessary distraction aimed at unsettling both the player and the club at a critical juncture in our preparation for the upcoming season. Orlando Pirates remain committed to the well-being of our players and will continue to act in their best interest. We call upon all media outlets to refrain from publishing unverified reports that seek to create instability for the sake of clicks. The statement that Orlando Pirates has released regarding the article by Soccer Laduma. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this statement by Orlando Pirates? Do you think that Soccer Laduma just created this story out of the blue, or maybe they had something and they didn't get all their facts right? Or do you think that Orlando Pirates have received such an offer but they are concealing it away from the public? Let me hear your thoughts down below. The PSL has announced the dates and also the time for the MTN 8 quarterfinal fixtures. So, on Saturday, the 2nd of August 2025, Orlando Pirates will play Polokwane City at Orlando Stadium at 3 p.m. And Sekhukhune United will play TS Galaxy at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium at 6 p.m. And then on Sunday, the 3rd of August, Stellenbosch will play AmaZulu at the DHL Stadium in Cape Town at 3 p.m. and Mamelodi Sundowns will play Richards Bay FC at Lucas Masterpiece Moripe Stadium at 6 p.m. So yeah, that's the full fixture of the MTN 8 quarterfinal. Younger Africans have inquired regarding the situation of Rwandan goalkeeper Fiacre Ntwari at Kaizer Chiefs. Tanzanian Giants Yanga SC has inquired about Ntwari's services, and they have already submitted a loan bid for the Rwandan shortstopper. Aside from the Tanzanian powerhouse, Ntwari's former club TS Galaxy are also said to be interested in a loan move for him, while an outright sale to a French League 2 side is also on the card. Ntwari joined Kaizer Chiefs from TS Galaxy in June 2024 for a reported fee of $400,000 in a 4-year deal, but has struggled to settle at the club due to injuries and the rotation of goalkeepers. He just made 7 appearances for the club during the 2024-25 season. Let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of Fiacre Ntwari's situation at Kaizer Chiefs? Should Kaizer Chiefs loan him or should they just sell him? Let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.